Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the day 7 turkey in the Brookhaven turkey hunt. So I'm just going to spawn, well, I already have a motorcycle here, but you're going to spawn a vehicle and you're going to drive it there, like where the airport is. Oh my gosh, that just made me dizzy. And you're basically going to climb this arch. As you can see, there is a turkey up there. You're just going to jump off and you're just going to jump here. Okay, let me just do this. And you will be able to see the 5th turkey. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!